Greetings, YouTube. This is an introduction to the various species of dragons, or one might refer to this as a draconic study of species. And this is the introduction video to that. We're going to have many more videos on this subject. But to start with, in the body, there are 7 basic dragons that correspond and correlate to the 7 basic chakras. Each one, depending on the unique individual's energy streams, can be similar colors to the chakra rays, or they can be different. Right now, what we're finding is that some of the chakra ray colors are indeed changing to go along with the different energy structures coming from the cosmic universe coming to Earth right now, changing the colors of the chakras. Our typical chakra colors go from red, from the base up to indigo, or blue and indigo to the crown chakra. But we know now that these are changing. We're going to look at, in our next video, we're going to look at 7 different basic dragon species. To touch on them right now, one would be the red dragon. The red dragon is a crystal dragon. Most of the dragons are crystal in nature, although we do find diamond dragons. Now, diamond's the next toughest energy rank, so we also find the rainbow dragons. But for now, we're going to keep it simple with the red dragon. The red dragon is for many draconic individuals, is a base dragon or a fire dragon, and that fire spreads up through the chakras and informs all the dragon races. So you could really say that the red one, which resides in the sacral chakra or the base chakra, to be the foundation dragon upon which the other draconic species and beings are based off of. And it can go all the way up to blue dragons and so forth and so on. But this is just an introduction video to the basic dragon species. We have, the first one would be the red. The second would be the orange. The next color would be the yellow. And then the next one would then be green. And we would have blue. And we would have white. And we would have purple. Now, most of that corresponds to the ray colors in the chakras. But then there is differences and variations within those 7 basics. That's just the 7 basics. So if one wanted to start what we would call working with dragons or dragon magic, one would start with those 7 basic ones and start with the trust, because a dragon isn't going to come to you unless they can trust you. Once you invite them in, they will watch and monitor your life, and this could take up to thousands and thousands of years, various different lifetimes. So they base their relationships, it's all based on trust. If they can trust you, and each one has an agreement upon if this can benefit them or not, they will then start working with you. But that's all for today. This was just an introduction again to the basic dragon species. In the coming videos, we're going to talk more in depth about the dragons, ray colors, and how it all corresponds to your chakra system. And every person, regardless or not if they are dragon incarnate or not, can work with them, and you can create magic in your life by working together as allies. That is all for now. Thanks.